Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is devious. It is pronounced D-V-U-S, and it is spelt D-E-V-I-O-U-S. Think dev, then the letter I, and then us. Devious means showing a skillful use of underhanded or dishonest tactics to achieve goals. For example, she had a devious plan to cheat in her maths exam. Devious comes from the Latin word devious, meaning remote or departing from the direct route. This, over time, came to mean, in a figurative sense, deviating from the straight way, perhaps by doing something bad or dishonest. Hence its meaning today, skilled in underhand tactics. In the early hours of the 18th of March 1990, two devious men, dressed up as police officers, entered the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston, claiming they were responding to a disturbance call. Over the next hour or so, the two men tied up the museum's guards and got away with 13 priceless works of art. To this day, the case is unsolved. No arrests have ever been made, and none of the 13 works of art have been found. It is estimated that the stolen artwork was worth around $500 million. Now that's a devious set of thieves. Devious is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the devious footballer purposely tackled his opponent to the ground. Or, the devious thieves, dressed as policemen, to enter the museum. Devious is defined in the dictionary as people, plans, or methods that are dishonest, often in a complicated way, but are also often clever and successful. Devious' synonyms include underhand, deceitful, dishonest, dishonorable, disreputable, unethical, unprincipled, and cheating. Antonyms include fair, forthright, frank, honest, naive, open, and sincere. See if you can spot any devious behavior today. It doesn't have to be something dramatic like a robbery. It could just be something small, like a friend cheating while playing a game. Either way, make sure to use your new word today. Devious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.